Automotive anxiety hurts. It hurts women, children, men, and even auto repair shop owners. Fear of auto repair has paralyzed the female driving community, and trust between drivers and mechanics has been lost. Women Auto Know treats auto anxiety and repairs this trust through transparency, education, peer-to-peer support, rank review of automotive shops, interactive e-courses, workshops, and other great resources that teach you how to take care of your automobile. Women Auto Know is approved by women and shops who have taken the pledge to take the fear out of auto repair. Membership is free for drivers and always will be. Side effects of taking the WAK pledge include feeling empowered, stronger, more confident, and safer. Some members have experienced better gas mileage and more money in their wallets. Yes, auto repair can feel this good.
We just took the Women Ought to Know workshop for you, Audra.
Great, very informative.
Thank you so much. We feel great about this.
We're going to tell all of our friends.
So I just did the Women Ought to Know session with Audra. She was great. One particular thing that I really loved was the analogies that she had. They were really helpful.
I learned basic troubleshooting techniques, testing circuits for continuity.
It was fantastic. We learned how to do fuses. We learned how to change the bulbs in the back of the car.
I went in, I opened up my coolant system, and I stuck the tube down, and I squirted it and rejected, and this is what I got in. I'm pleased, and my teacher is pleased.
Very well needed, and it's wonderful to see that it's happening.
I don't read the manual.
Well, that's why you're here.
Yes.
I found it extremely enlightening, empowering, and it was great fun. I learned a lot, and looking forward to the next seminar.
I'm coming back.